Hello guys, today I will be showing you the weird and wacky alternative intros for this game right here. How I got these weird wacky intros is when I was corrupting this game thanks to real-time corruptor. And so what am I going to show you is the weird ones that I saved right here in my stockpile manager, and I'll show you all of them because the ones that I saved are pretty good. But the reason why I'm showing you without my voice is so you can make your memes. Again, you're welcome, and once you actually do use these, you don't have to give credit to me. I just want you to use them for me. And yes, I am eating jelly beans, but I hope you enjoy these, and yeah, that's all I need to say. Bye bye.
Ronaldinho success! Ronaldinho success! Ronaldinho success! Ronaldinho success! Ronaldinho success! Ronaldinho soccer. 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 Ronaldinho success!
Well, that's it. That's all of them. I really hope you like that. And before you go to the comments, yes, I know I accidentally repeat one by accident, but I really hope that these are like weird and wacky intros. My favorite one is this one because it kind of sounded like Seinfeld. You probably thought of that, right? Yeah, that part. And yes, I forgot to tell in the intro. I have a couple of new ones. As you can see, I would say probably, and I didn't meant to move the screen. I meant to close that window, but I would say probably not full screen it. So right now I currently have a lot of them. That's why this video is probably long, but I have a lot of shop piles, and yeah, that's why the video is so long. But I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you try to make green screens of it, have fun, because some of them are just going to be too hard to do. And yeah, that's all I need to say. Bye bye. And when I mean bye bye, I mean bye bye. No, I mean like bye bye. Here's soccer in space.